G'day folks, Scotty Wilson from Wurth, Australia. Super pumped to be here today with you to talk about our new range of Smart Step drill bits. Now, unlike our previous range, these are the new high-speed steel cobalt Smart Step drill bits, as opposed to the standard high-speed steel. Now, these bad boys are what we call the all-rounder in the drill bit, in our drill bit range, because you're drilling into higher tensile steels, heat-resistant steels, titanium, as well as cast iron, aluminium, non-ferrous metals, all those sorts, plastics, and your timbers. So it really is the all-round drill bit. Now, it's quite a departure from our standard drill bit range, and if I can show you why, I'll grab the biggest drill bit out in the 25-piece kit. You can really see a real difference in the Smart Step tip geometry. Now, it's quite an acute angle as opposed to your standard drill bits, which might be 118 or 135 degree. And this is just a real departure from that type of drill bit. Now, the angle and the steps on it mean that when you're going to be drilling, you're drilling really precise holes in the material that you're drilling into. Sort of like a step drill bit. So you're drilling in and it's incrementally increasing the diameter of the drill bit until you get to the diameter you want. Okay, so a real departure from standard drill bits. So great feature. As well as that, on the back of the drill bit, you have what we call a three-face shank. By that, it has sort of slivers cut into the round shank. And what this means for you is better purchase in your drill, especially cordless drills, which is what pretty much everyone is using these days when they're drilling. So yeah, less power required to drive the drill bit and better purchase in the chuck. So you're getting better power transmission from your drill bit. You can really distinguish the high-speed steel or HSCO drill bits from the standard range from the violet band that you see on the drill bit. So yeah, easily identified as a HSCO drill bit, three-face shank, and what we have here is two fantastic looking kits. So we have a 19-piece kit, which is 1 to 10 mil in 0.5 mil increments, but then we have the 1 to 13 mil in 0.5 mil increments, so you're really covered for most of your drilling needs. And again, as I say, drilling in all sorts of high tensile materials. Not only do we have these two kits, but we also have these drill bits for sale individually from 1 mil all the way up to 20 mil. So you can buy them individually or you can go with one of our fantastic kits. Precision drilling with these drill bits, precise holes. So no center punching required because of the acute angle on the tip, and no pre-drilling of your material all the way up to 20 mil. And a 20 mil drill bit can be used in a cordless drill because they all have the half-inch reduced shank, and again have the slivers cut out of them into the shank, into the three-face shank, just for easier use in your drill. Great product, no center punching required. Can also be drilled on the angle, again because of the acute angle of the drill bit. You can see, you can lean it over on the angle and you can angle drill into a piece of material. Whereas with a standard drill, you can't do that because you're going to get wander all over the workpiece. Again, perfect if you're drilling in curved surfaces like your pipes, anything like that, because of that Smart Step tip geometry. Well, that's about it from me. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And remember, our HSCO Smart Step drill bits are ready for work.